51 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, on which of the following the date in summer solstice is the observed in southern hemisphere? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, 21 December. It is the date is the summer solstice observed in southern hemisphere. 51 number question, explain the summer solstice occurs to when a planet geographical pole on either to the northern and southern hemisphere is the most inclined toward the star that is the orbit. Depending on the shift of the calendar, the summer solstice occur to sometime to between to June 20 and June 22 northern hemisphere, between to December 20 and December 23 each year of the southern hemisphere. Next question, 52 number question কি বলছে, match the following a mountain range. Number 1 a Himalayas, number A South America, Andes and North America, Rocky Continent and Asia. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? নাম্বার বি, মাউন্টেন রেঞ্জের নাম্বার 1 হিমালয়স সেটি হবে হচ্ছে তোমার এশিয়া, আর আন্দিজ সেটি হবে সাউথ আমেরিকা, আর রকি কন্টিনেন্ট হবে সেটা হচ্ছে নর্থ আমেরিকা। 52 number question, explain Himalayas, a mountain range in Asia separating the plains of the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau. Andes, and the longest continental mountain range that world, also forms in countries to highland to along the western edge in South America. Rocky is a major mountain range that western North America that stretches and from western Canada and southern United States. 53 number question কি বলছে, what is an isothermos? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, a narrow strip of the land and separating to water of the body and a isothermos. Next question, 53 number question, explain the narrow strip of the land and connect to extensive to land masses is called isothermos, and isothermos to either to connect to continents and join to peninsula with a mainland. Panama and Swiss isothermos are the topical example to an isothermos. Next question, 54 number question কি বলছে, which of the following the pair is the incorrect? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, 0 degree longitude and equator is that pair is incorrect, and 0 degree longitude is prime meridian is correct. 0 degree latitude of equator 23.5 degree north and Tropic of Cancer is the correct. 54 number question, explain on earth an equator is an imaginary line on the surface equidistant from the north and south pole dividing the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. The latitude of the earth equator is by the definition 0 degrees of arc. The equator is one of the 5 notable to circle of the latitude on earth. The other 4 Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle, the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Next question, 55 number question কি বলছে, which is part of the earth has the abundance of the nickel and iron? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, NIF, which is the part of the earth is abundance of nickel and iron. 55 number question, explain the core of the earth is composed to mainly of iron Fe and the nickel Ni, and is it also to called a NIF. It is the responsible for the earth magnetism. This is layer 2 has the maximum specific gravity is a lies of the between 2019 100 kilometer for 60,000 40,000 kilometer below the Earth's surface. It is accounts for the 60% of the Earth in volume. Next question. 56 number question কি বলছে, which of the following is considered to be the largest volcano on earth in terms of its mass and footprint? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, Thermomassive. This is considered the largest volcano on the earth in terms of its mass and footprint. 56 number question explain. Thermomassive is an extinct submarine shale and volcano located in northern western Pacific Ocean. It is considered to be largest volcano on earth. It is a term in mass and footprint. It is located in Satskai Ridge and about 1016 km east of Japan. Next question. 57 number question কি বলছে, approximately what is the normal rate of the temperature rise with the depth from the surface of the earth to the interior of the earth? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, 1 degree Celsius per 32 meter, just approximately the normal rate of the temperature is in the depth from the surface of the earth interior of the earth. 57 number question explain. The different two observation that show that is the rate of the increase of the temperature is not too uniform that a surface toward an earth center. In the beginning, the rate increase to temperature, it is an average 10 degrees Celsius to every 32 meter increase of the depth. While the upper to 100 kilometers, the increase in temperature is at the rate of 120 degrees Celsius per kilometer, and the next 100 kilometer, it is a 200 kilometers per kilometer, but going to further to depth rate and reduce for more 100 degrees Celsius per kilometer. Next question. 58 number question কি বলছে, which of the following is not true example of the metamorphic rock? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, granite, which is not true example of the metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock is an example to gneiss, phyllite or schist. 58 number question explain. Granite is igneous rocks composed to mostly two minerals, quartzite and feldspar. It is the intrusive rock and meaning that is the crystallization from the magma and cool of the below of the earth's surface. A metamorphic rock can result to transformation of the part existing along the original. The original rock is subject to very high heat and pressure, which is caused and obvious to physical and chemical changes, to example liquid marble, slate and gneiss and schist. Next question. 59 number question কি বলছে যে, why is duration of the day and night on earth are almost the equal? চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, at the equator of the duration of the day and the night on the earth on almost the equal. 59 number question explain. The equator is the line, the marks of the exact to halfway point in between the North Pole and the South Pole. On the equator, the length of the days of the changes to very little throughout of the year. To daylight to shine almost to exactly 20 hours and darkness to regions almost to exactly 20 hours. The further that the travels from the equator, however the variation in the length of the day that is will be observed. Next question. 60 number question কি বলছে, which is imaginary line located on 0 degrees latitude divided to earth into northern and southern hemisphere? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, equator, just imaginary line located at 0 degrees latitude divided to the northern and southern hemisphere. 16 number question, explain the geographic equator to divided to Earth into northern and southern hemisphere and forms the imaginary river range to line on the Earth's surface from the which is latitude is the region. In other words, it is the other to 0 latitude. The equator is the only line Earth's surface that is the considered the great circle.